Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to make money selling printables on Etsy 2026, a complete walkthrough. Alright guys, so here's how to make money selling printables on Etsy, fast, simple and step by step. There's a couple of things you need to do, and your step one being the picking of a profitable printable niche. So use Etsy, that's this Etsy search, or Pinterest trends and or Creative Fabrica to see what's actually selling and what's making grounds on the internet. All right, so what you're going to be selling is the top niches. You should pick planners and journals, wedding templates, wall art, business forms, and kids' activity sheets. So when we go over to the search on Etsy and simply type in something as simple as planners or journals or and journals. So you can use the and journals. When you simply search for this, you're going to be seeing the planners and journals that people are actually interested in. So when you click on search, you're going to see competitive prices. You're going to see what is actually popular. You can see this is the most popular planner. This is number one. It's got a 4.7 star rating and it costs just under $1, 5 cents. So basically, it's 60% off. The usual price is $2.59, while this cost about $4.26. Now, the thing here is when selecting a profitable niche, you have to pick something that has good sales. If you were to click on this particular product, let's just click on it and simply open it up. You're going to actually see the amount of planners that were bought, or rather planners that were sold. You're going to see things like the complaints. You're going to see item details, so you can then go on to curate your digital planner as well. So we have undated digital planner, 720 hyperlinked pages for iPad and Android with 6 color themes. Now you can offer more than 6, you can offer 8. So you could take inspiration from the other channel by including more color themes, having more pages, offering more templates, including more covers, and a bit more stickers. All right, so like I said, you're going to be seeing comments, things that people actually love. You can see the item quality is 4.6 out of 5, 4.8 for shipping. So this client or this producer is really good at shipping. The customer service is top notch, and 91% of buyers actually recommend. So, taking this into account, you could actually make something as good as this. Like I said, just try to take the blueprint of this and apply to yourself. How do you do that? Head over to something like Canva. Canva is a service that actually gives you some of the best stuff, especially if you're using the Canva Premium. But if you're on Canva free, you can still get things done. So if you use Canva, Adobe Express, or Kittle, you can choose a template size which is A4, just like how this digital planner did, something around A4, and the file type is set to PDF. So when you're downloading from Canva, please make sure to download as PDFs, as they get to keep your design clean and your layouts proper. Now, also try to have consistent fonts and matching colors, and also space for users to fill in their information and whatnot. All right, now the next step to setting up your Etsy listing is, after you have an account, after you've actually created an account on Etsy, go ahead and click on add listing. So once you're signed in, there is an option to simply list your product, and then you can now upload your digital files or zip folder, add the mockups. You can use Canva's mockup frames or a separate app like Place It. Let's go ahead and open up a Canva mockup. All right. So when Canva opens up properly, once your project you've selected the A4, once it opens up properly, just head over to where we have apps. On apps, once you're here, scroll till you find more from Canva and then select mockups. Once you have actually selected mockups, you would find mockups for smartphones, for print. Remember, we are running a print service, so we're trying to get printables sold on Canva, on Etsy, and these are some of the best choices that are made available for free. As you can see, there's no premium attached to it, so you can just have your cover. You could have something like the digital planner here. You could have this simply applied to this. All right, so don't forget to set up your Etsy listing, make use of the Canva free mockups, and then for the title, simply include keywords like budget planner printable or editable wedding invite, and then you could add some tags. Now, the next thing is pricing. So, in order to price your printable, most digital printables sell between $2 to 10. As you can see here, most are even under a dollar, and some go as low as 0.97 in some cases. So, please make sure you're sure of your pricing. Make sure the niche you're working with supports the pricing you have selected. Like now we have one for 38, and this is a big journal bundle with all kinds of journals, 26 journals for $38 as compared to people who sell one journal. All right. So the last step would be to drive traffic. So in order to get consistent sales, make sure you upload up to 10 listings, as these people did here. Magic Print Magic Studio X just uploaded one and two, and if you scroll, you could see three, four, five, and whatnot. So upload up to 10 listings, share on Pinterest or social medias for clarity and more wider spread, and also use Etsy's ads for your best item, and then add a new design weekly. All right, guys, that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have a question, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.